Alright, so today we're gonna unbox this phone stand. It's called a Techiva, I believe that's how it's pronounced, flexible phone mount with strong suction cups. That's what it says. Strong suction, fits most phones, and flexible design. I got this from Family Dollar. Pop it out. Give me 1 second here. Okay. Alright, and this is it. Okay. Plastic. I guess another e-waste. It's pretty strong. I will say that. Does it? No, obviously it doesn't do it like that. Where's the other part? You take this part, you just twist. Keep twisting until it's snugged. And sure, I guess it has strong suction. You can mount it on the wall if you want. And they're not kidding about the flexible design. And so how does this thing work? It goes like this. Okay. So let's take our phone and there you go. So I guess that's how it's supposed to be, and then you just mount this to wherever you want, and there you go. So yeah, this is it. So it's $5 from Family Dollar if you want to get that, I guess. You know, why you want to get this, you could get something better, but hey, for $5, can you blame them? It's actually not too cheap, despite coming from a Family Dollar. I mean, the suction's not too bad. I mean, the plastic, obviously it's cheap plastic, so can you blame it? I can't. I mean, it kind of looks more yellowish over here. Kind of doesn't look off. Looks okay off camera, but yeah, I can see the yellowish glowing right there. Anyway, there you go. That was it. If you want to subscribe, click the subscribe button, like, and share the video. That helps the channel grow a lot. And you guys supporting the channel means a lot to me. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.